If you're looking to scale your Amazon business, grow it, do more in revenue, you might think the only way to do that is sourcing more products, finding more brands. While all that is true, one of the easiest things you could do is speed up how fast you get through winners and losers. One of the biggest mistakes I made was I was taking way too much time getting through all the winners, all the losers, and that's why today's video, I'm going to share my SellerAmp settings with you, exactly how I set it up. It took me about 6 months to figure out the best workflow for this. I'm going to show you exactly what everything means and show you exactly how I set it up, how you can fix yours. I am telling you, this will save you a ton of time and help you find a more profitable products. Let's go to the computer. All right, let's just get into it. The down and dirty. So in order to get this page, you're going to click my account right here, and you're going to hit settings, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. So this is what I have. I sell on the Amazon.com marketplace. Inbound shipping, 80 cents per pound. So this is my estimate. So when I send this water bottle in, if this is a pound, it's going to add 80 cents. Into the calculation, so I don't have to worry about that. I have Amazon Optimus Splits for my inbound placement method. I have right here storage time of 1. I do FBA if you want. You could always switch between that in the panel, which we'll go over in a second. If you're in the US, you don't have to worry about that or this. Minimum BSR, I don't care about. I just leave that 0. Maximum, I use 2%. If you're ever confused, you can kind of just look here what that exactly means. Really like that. Minimum profit, $3. Minimum ROI, 30%. Prep fee, $1. Miscellaneous fees, if you had, I don't know, maybe you do a lot of sneakers and maybe it's $1 plus 50 cents. You can just put 50 cents in here and that will add on. Or if you are paying sales tax, you could add your sales tax into here and it will automatically do the calculation for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Super simple. Literally took 1 minute. You could go start sourcing right now. This will get the majority of everything you need done and keep you nice and safe ROI and profit wise. The next is the panel. So this is what you're going to be using to evaluate products. So this is your panel right here. I wasted so much time looking. I'd look at this and then I'd scroll down to look at the notes and then I would scroll up. None of this was organized. So I one day sat down, I was like, I'm going to put in the optimal way for me to analyze a product, the quickest way possible. And I'll walk you through my logic in a second. So you'll see here, if you want to, you have alerts. When you go to this side here, it's the alerts. If you want to change these, I want to do the quick info. I like the quick info first. I'm going to click that. We're going to refresh. You don't even have to hit save or anything like that. It's going to redo it for you. And you'll see quick info is up here. So why do I have it set up like this? So right off the bat, I want to see the ASIN, the UPC, just kind of what this is. Does this match what I'm looking to source? Quick info. I want to see the rank. I want to see the amount of monthly sales, the max cost I have to pay for this. I want to know right off the bat, does this make sense? Can I get this for $22 and still hit my ROI? And then you could just put that in here. So if you get it for 20, you could see that you got your $9 profit. So if I could get this for 20, I'm like, all right, stuff is looking good right away. Alerts. Are there any issues? Does Amazon share the buy box? Is this private label? Are there IP issues? You could use this as just a guide. You could also use other software as well, but this is just a general guide. Next, I want to see the buy box price. So I'm kind of going to order. Okay, I could get this for $20. Now let's look at some more information. So the buy box we have here, we have Amazon, and then we have the lowest FBA sellers, $59.99, lowest FBM sellers, $46.50. So we can kind of see all of that. We could see the 90-day buy box. So we could see here, currently it's at $46.98. 90-day is $46.70. So the pricing is about the same. And the 180 is $48.89. Just kind of like to see that right there. Next, I want to see the offers. Who's actually on this? So this is a super powerful tab because I want to see, well, it looks like Amazon's on this number 1. And then there are other FBA sellers on here. So if you wanted to hover over, you could see that seller. You can also click into that, and then it's going to show you all the other products they have. So I want to see this. How many sellers are on it? How much stock do they have? And then next, if that all checks out, I want to see the buy box analysis. Who's winning the buy box? In this case, it looks like Amazon's winning it 94% of the time. That's something I'm going to pass on. So then I would kind of stop my analysis there and then go on to the next product. But if that look good, then I'm looking at the Keepa. I want to see what the kind of movement is. You could also do that on the Keepa plugin, but this is just a quick look right here. Have I seen this in the past? So this is the quick lookup details. This will show exactly when I saw this and the cost that I saw it at. So if there's any history, I can see that. And now, based on this, I am most likely ready to buy. So then I have all the Google Sheets that I have here. So once I hit, let's just say I put it, I'm going to do it, the buy sheet final. That is going to shoot this into a spreadsheet and capture all the information I want. And then if you want to you can do more notes, tags, there's more charts and stuff down here. But these are the order that I have it in. It took me about 6 months to kind of figure out this order. For me, it just makes sense logically. Now, if you evaluate products differently or want to see maybe the alerts first to see if, it's going to be an IP or whatever, you could do that as well. But this makes it just super easy. So go copy these, go source, go find profitable products. If you want help and more helpful videos, there is a free guide below, no email required, the SellerAmp Quick Start Guide. Go get that and go find some profitable products.